Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the inside of Amazon Prime Video Direct. And you'll notice that if you go to the support link, that you'll pull open a side menu here. You're going to then click Get Started, and then you'll want to click on Royalty Information. And you're going to see a schedule of information here. And so now we'll discuss royalties and compensation. Now, you are going to be paid monthly based on a number of different activities altogether. First, you're going to be paid video purchases and rentals. It happens you'll be paid 50% of the net revenues of purchases and rentals. Now, customers can buy episodes or seasons, and then any episodes that they purchase, if they decide to purchase a season later, it'll count toward their actual purchase. They'll get the entire season at a discount. And if you go to Prime Video and you type in a title that you're likely to find, for example, we typed in WordPress, you'll see the different classifications here. You'll see that someone can watch an episode, they can buy the entire season, or they can watch an episode free with ads, or they can buy outright. And the main way you're going to generate revenue is going to be the number of people who are watching your videos. And some of those views are going to be included with people who have subscriptions to Amazon Prime. And there are going to be different tiers of activity based on the aggregate hours streamed. So, for example, every year Amazon will determine how many hours people are streaming your videos, and that'll put you on a certain tier to be paid more or less. So, for example, the more hours that people are streaming your videos, the higher your rate of pay, and you'll see that in the schedule. Now, once your tier is determined, then you'll be paid based on the number of hours actually streamed. So you'll have a tier, and then you'll have streaming that will take place. And again, the higher your tier, the higher the rate of pay. You're also going to be paid 55% of the net advertising revenue of individuals who've chosen to watch videos free but to have ads associated with them. You'll also be paid 55% of net monthly revenues of individuals who are watching your videos through Amazon channels. When that happens, payments are going to be issued 90 days after the end of the month after the activity occurs. And payments are going to be made by the bank account that you've already set up unless you choose to have payments wire transferred. And when you have wire transfers, you are going to have a certain dollar threshold to meet before you can be paid. And you can look at the details of the threshold as well as the tiers and Prime streaming in the royalty information section of your support area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.